Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the PiBox HDD dock D6415 with a normal 1 TB hard disk drive. To begin, you should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to use the device. Next, take the PiBox, flip it around. You'll find the interfaces at the back. Take the power adapter and insert it into a wall socket. Insert the other end of the power adapter into the power socket. Take the data cable, use the type B port and insert it into the back of your dock. And then stand the device upright. Next, if you look on the inside, you will see the interface for the hard drives are on the extreme top right corner. From this particular perspective, your hard disk drive has an interface on this side. So you're supposed to match this interface with the one that you see on the inside. Again, a simple way of figuring it out is to look at the size of the ports. You have the big one first, followed by the small one. On the inside, you have the big one on the top and the small one right beside it. And you can obviously not insert it the other way around. So there's only one proper way of inserting the hard drive. You don't need to apply much pressure. Once it is seated, a little bit will ensure that it sits properly. And once that's done, you have a little LED indicator on the front. You should observe this as you press the power on button on the back. So once you press the power on button, you can see that the LED lights up in blue color. Next, take a laptop or any PC, Mac or Linux-based device. Take the other end of your data cable and insert it into your laptop. Once that's done, a laptop will give you a prompt, usually. If not, you'll have to either access the disk utility on Linux or disk management utility on Windows to initialize the hard drive. Once that's done, you will be able to access the hard drive in your operating system. So that's how you'd use the PiBox D6415 hard disk drive dock with your laptop or PC. Thank you for watching.